Hi there, today I asked the question, is it possible to teach students in kindergarten to spot coding patterns before they even ever touch a computer? Well, that's exactly what this lesson is all about, an unplugged lesson where Ozzy introduces patterns. I open up my teacher presentation provided by Code for Kids and my students are greeted by Ozzy the Owl. Hello Ozzy. First, Ozzy introduces my students to patterns. I ask my students, what is a pattern? How do we know if something is a pattern? Tell me more about Ozzy's patterns. Then it's hands-on time. You can choose whether you want to use beads or other physical shapes that you have in the classroom, or you can use the printable template provided. With these shapes, my students will build their own patterns and learn to explain the rules behind them. I start by asking my students to copy Ozzy the Owl's patterns. Ozzy asks, can you copy my patterns? I will give them time to create the same patterns. Beep beep. Now my students will use the same shapes to build their very own robots. And finally, we use our worksheet provided. First, I ask my students to color in the shapes in 2 different colors and I give them time to do it nicely. And they can cut out the shapes and complete the beaded pattern on the worksheet. See, through pattern recognition and repetition, these activities build core logic and early coding skills, all while having fun.